I'm going to show you how to draw two quick graphs. I have two equations here. They're both lines, just linear functions, some kind of mx plus b, if you remember that form. And when I say mx plus b, this is what I'm referring to as b. This is my y-intercept. And my m that I mentioned, the m is right here. That's the slope. If you remember, slope is rise over run. So let's go about graphing one of these. I'll start with the one on the left. Plus 1 is the y-intercept. So I'm going to just put a dot right there at y equals plus 1. It's right on that middle line. And when I look at slope, negative 1/2 means down 1 over 2. And I'm talking about over 2 to the right. So watch how I'm going to draw this. Down 1 over 2. And I count out dots on the graph. Like I will count down 1 and then to the right 2. And that is what I want to draw my line looking like. Okay, whoops, drew it a little wrong there. Okay, so that is the way this function ought to look. Now with the next one, on the right side, we see this graph has a y-intercept of -3. So I've marked that on my graph. And now I want to draw a slope of 2. Well, what does that mean? That means it goes rising 2, so it goes up 2, and I'll draw it with arrows this time. I'm going to go up 2 like this, and then over 1. So up 2 over 1, and that's going to make a diagonal line that goes up and to the right, rather steeply. And as you get practice with these, you'll notice that fractions as slope, and I mean fractions like 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 2 over 5, those sorts of fractions have a shallow slope and they don't go very steeply. But when you have a whole number like 2 or 3 or 4 as your slope, that goes up or down very fast. It's a very steep slope.